Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to show y'all how I got this really cute fall ginger hair color. Okay y'all, so I started off by toning this wig I made. I'm not actually sure if it changed colors from when I first, got done with it, but I only did it once, so I didn't keep going back in, but it looked pretty good to me. So I'm just going to show y'all how I toned my wig real quick, and then we'll get into the hair color. Okay, so I'm doing this just like I'm doing the watercolor method, as if I was dyeing the hair. So I just got some hot water and I poured the purple shampoo in there and mix it up and just dip my wig in. So you just want to make sure that you're getting it all over the hair, so it won't be blotchy or anything like that. So this literally all I did, and just made sure I got it all over the hair. Okay, y'all, when I got done doing that, I just poured the water out, and I'm going to shampoo the hair with this Curl Essence shampoo, just to make sure that I got all the purple shampoo out, because somebody said in one of the videos I was watching that it can probably still stain the hair. I don't know, y'all, something they was saying. This is my first time ever trying to tone a wig, so yeah, I just shampooed it with some regular shampoo after the fact, and then we're going to get into dyeing it. All right, y'all, so this is 2 days later. The hair had air dried, so I'm just getting it wet because I was watching a video and they said that it's easier for the hair dye to get over all the hair when it's already wet versus trying to do the watercolor method when it's dry, and that worked really good. So the first color I'm going in with is Cajun Spice from Adore. I end up only using 2 bottles of dye, 1 Cajun Spice and 1 cinnamon. So I'm just pouring it in there, of course, with some hot water, and I'm going to mix it up and dip the wig in. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. Once I dipped the wig in, I was just like, ew. I was so scared that the color was not gonna end up how I wanted it to be. Especially after I added the cinnamon color, I was just like, oh my god. I was so disappointed. I was just like, this is about to be so ugly. But it turned out really good, of course, as y'all saw. But you have to open the hair to make sure it's getting all through the hair. But like I said, if you go ahead and wet the wig before you start it, it's 10 times easier than trying to make sure all of the hair gets the color when you starting off with it dry. So yeah, so now I'm going in with cinnamon, and I'm just about to do the same process over again. Okay, y'all, so once I got done doing that, I conditioned the wig with this Suave conditioner. And this is the end of the video. So if y'all like how the color came out, and if y'all like the little style I did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.